This is Jake with HRS Sports. We got another unboxing video from our Privacy Shield vanishing plate, peekaboo plate, whatever you guys want to call it. But we're going to unbox it, show you everything that's inside. Very nice outside packaging. First thing you see is you got your instructions here. We're going to leave that right there so we can kind of explain everything. Next is your Privacy Shield here. Very nice quality.
Yep. Okay. All right. That's the glass or lens or whatever you call it.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you have your bracket.
This is the front bracket and this is the back plate.
Yep. So it's going to attach, and then the privacy glass will attach. Once you attach the privacy glass, this is going to go over it with little supplied screws. Then you're going to put your privacy glass, and then you'll put this over it, and then you'll screw it in, and done.
Okay. What is that, a module? What is this?
This is a module for controlling it with the remote. So once you plug this in, then you push your on-off button there, and that'll darken the glass or turn it off. And that's controlled by this right here. Your screws there, everything you need to install it. And then, of course, you've got your extension cable. So depending on how you install it, you may use this, you may not. And then, of course, you got your hardwire cable. And, of course, it is all numbered. So if you want to install it by the book, it'll tell you number 1, 2, 3, 4. All these cables are numbered. And then, of course, this just plugs into your cigarette lighter. Pretty simple.
All right, very good. So this is the invisible shield or whatever you call it, vanishing plate, used solely for picture taking purposes. Okay, guys. All right. So today we have a new product. We are testing it from scratch. We have no idea what's going on, but we're going to figure it out. I'm sure you guys have seen it already. It's like a license plate. What is it? Like a hide your license plate kind of thing? Sure. So what's going on over here? Okay, so this is how it is. Smoked out lens or glass.
And there's a backing plate.
So there's a backing plate, and okay. All right.
This is what's charged.
Yep.
Okay. So this is how it gets powered. First option is, which is really obvious, is with the cigarette lighter connector, and then you can probably hardwire it to your taillights maybe, but it will work only when your taillights are on, or you can connect it to your accessory plug or something. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so let's remove the license plate from the truck.
We're tired.
Yep. The cover is smoked out. Okay, but for testing purposes, we're just running the wire through the bed. It's gonna go inside the truck, and then we're gonna connect it to the license plate. I mean, to the cigarette lighter.
So first things first, you got to reinstall this before we can put this on, because this and this have to go on after this has been connected.
Okay.
Because you see these screws right here?
So there are screws on the edges, 4 screws.
That's what's gonna hold this to keep this in front.
Oh, so that's gonna hold this frame right
to
here.
keep this in front of the license plate.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's assemble it.
All right. Not too dark.
Okay.
But it gets a lot darker.
Yeah. Yep.
Then we have the wire to worry about. It's gonna be harder to.
So this has to go first.
This has to go first. But what I think we have to do first is I think we're gonna have to kind of put this to the side while we're trying to figure out the wire first, where it's gonna go through.
Yeah,
so maybe feed that wire through this hole and just leave it hanging. That way.
Yeah, we have
these little ones right here.
the little ones.
These are little ones too.
Yeah. So there are little ones
Are
too.
there longer
Black
ones?
ones? I think these are longer ones.
Yeah. Use the longer one. Let's see what happens.
So don't use the ones that come with the car.
Yeah.
So you need to use these screws, the one which is supplied with it.
Flatter.
Yeah. It's flatter, exactly. The head is flatter. So this is how you do it.
And we're going to basically install this.
Wait. I need that.
No.
No, to be. I need it. Yeah, I need it to put behind.
Oh yeah, that. Oh, that.
Yeah,
okay.
there's a lot of pre-planning you got to do for this thing, but we're eventually going to get there.
Okay. There you go. All right. So you install the black plate first, and then you secure it with these bolts. Okay.
Okay.
So this one is a little bit warped. So
Yeah,
I mean, it's like, can you
it's a little,
just tighten it enough?
It's a little
Little loosey goosey.
okay.
All right, so it should just
Okay.
sit there.
Yes. Now you put that frame. No. The glass first.
You want this first? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So here you go, man. What do you mean? First?
And
Shoot
then
up.
you put that cover on
Lift
top.
this up.
Hold on, I have to like lift the plate too. I can't lift the plate.
I already did it.
Oh, did you? Did you do it? I
No.
don't think you did, man.
Now it should.
I think you
Those
did.
small screws should work.
Now the only issue I can see though
Can we get the plate higher?
is that the bumper itself is
Yeah, that's
so
what I'm,
low.
no, that's
and
what I'm
this plate
asking.
is
Can we
so
get
low.
no? I'm saying, can we tighten the plate higher? So like that's as high as it'll go. So tighten it down here.
Put some.
There's
No.
holes behind there.
Okay.
We just need this to seat in.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I think so.
Well, and there's only one way to find out is.
I think I got it actually. Seriously,
Is it going in?
I think it is. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, it is. Okay,
Yeah.
I think I'm lined up over here.
Okay.
I think so.
I think.
How
so.
is it?
Yep,
I think
we're
it
good.
is.
Okay. Go ahead.
We're in
Okay.
business.
All right. So do the other, the bottom one too.
Beneath.
The bottom one.
You want to do the bottom one total?
Yeah.
Okay. You're keeping this on here.
Okay, that's the only thing I'm concerned about. I don't want this thing to break.
I know.
Yeah.
So okay, you can hide it the best way you possibly do, and then
The
I'm
black
gonna
piece
find
on
out
the
if
back-
that's huh.
I was gonna say the black piece on the back is just too thick. If it wasn't so thick, it wouldn't be.
I hit it.
Okay, yeah, it's hidden pretty good. Rachel, good job.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just tuck it on in there.
yeah, but don't break it, please.
Yeah.
If you guys break it, man, that's not coming under
That is
warranty.
not covered under our warranty.
Yes. All right. So let's secure that plate completely, and then okay. So with the cover on, yeah, it is dark. It is dark, but it's a cop can see it, right?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, if a cop is like a guy who wants to give you a hard time, right, Jig?
Yeah.
Then he might pull you over. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. Figure out the wire situation first before you guys do it with the installation.
All right.
Yeah.
So are
Is
we
there
plugging
one
this
back
in, or are we just like, are we actually running?
Is there one back here?
No, I don't see anything in the bed.
Yeah. So I would plug it in just so we can see if it works
Yeah,
first.
because we're gonna hardwire.
Okay. So all right, for this one, all right, let's see.
Test it.
So we're just gonna test it.
We have our remote control here.
Yep, on and off, simple remote.
Yep. Comes with a little clip here that we can install.
Right, and then we just hooked it up to the
It's connected.
cigarette lighter plug. It's dark in there, but you can see it. Okay, let's go ahead and start the car. Keys in there. Okay, there you go. Okay, so the cigarette lighter is on.
Should be good. You have the...
All right, now we're gonna test it. Is it working?
Oh yes.
Let's see.
Ready? So if you want to take a picture, bam.
Oh yeah, damn, you can see shit.
Can't see anything.
License plate.
Wow.
That's cool.
And then there you go.
There you go. Do it again. All right. Yeah, so from this angle, when you are seeing it, you don't see anything.
And I can tell you the range on this remote is really good.
Okay, so go sit inside the car and test it. Oh, it would work because the thing is right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I would say just go far. Go far.
You want to point this out?
You know, just go far. I'll go on the other side.
Is it working?
Yep. Yep.
Over here.
Okay. Yep,
Yep.
still working. Yep.
That's crazy.
Yep.
Okay, so he is like all the way over there. Okay. Yeah, okay, keep doing it. Yep, it's working. All right.
Cool.
I'm digging in, man. All right, so okay. So as far as the installation goes, guys, so you can run that wire inside, connect it to your cigarette lighter, or you can connect it to your maybe taillights, positive and negative, but it will then only work when you turn on the taillights or parking lights.
Or you can
Or-
find a random wire.
Or you can do is you can connect that positive negative wire to your accessory mode,
No.
accessory fuse, whatever. So as soon as you turn on your car, this will work.
Oh my god, I just wiped it.
All right. All right. So this is the installation video, and just to give you a little glimpse of it, it's available on our website right now.